I come last weekend for the 3-day craftsman training session. I wanted to take the ceramic class so I can get certified and also learn more about the Jade product so I can offer my customers and get some added customer confidence in the product that I'll be supplying.
So I did a 3-day seminar, the craftsman program. It was actually really educational and everything, and I had to come back for the ceramic. Just for the detailing purposes, to get the actual proper education from front to back, top to bottom, just learn properly.
To get better educated on the ceramic class, on how to apply it, to be hands-on with it.
Just wanted to get some information on ceramic coating and the business aspect and also how to apply it.
You know, I've already used Jade's products before. I'm a big fan of their stuff. I really wanted to come up here and learn a little more of the chemical aspect of it. And I really wanted the certification paperwork along with that.
I wanted to get certified in ceramic coating using the Jade product. I did the interior exterior detailing course also.
Well, I recently came to the 3-day craftsman class, and I just wanted to really be certified in the ceramic coating and just learn more about just really how to perform it.
Because I work for one of the guys that's also doing this, and we want to both get certified and learn everything we can about ceramic coating so that we can offer it to customers.
I've been here before. I took the three-day class, craftsman class. It was very knowledgeable, so I wanted to come back to get certified in the ceramic coating and using the products of Jade.
I came to take the Jade class, trying to get some experience, offer some new services to my clients, you know, make some more money.
I wanted to become certified in ceramic coatings and learn more about the Detail King products.
I think it was awesome. I really enjoyed the products, the different product lines, as far as what parts of the vehicle that they go in, and I'm excited to continue on.
Thought it was very educational, from the verbal demonstrations to the hands-on. Got to learn a lot more than what I ever thought I did from the previous past jobs and employers that I had. I recommend it.
I think it was an excellent class.
It's been great. The experience overall was great. From the instructors to the people here, it's just been a great experience.
It's been a great class, man. Learned a lot. Met some cool people, and that Fox's Den pizza is super good.
The course has been great, informative, good hands-on learning.
So far it's been excellent. Learned a lot of stuff that I didn't know, and looking to just really go back home and utilize all the skills and techniques that I learned today.
It was very informative. They know exactly what they're doing, all the people who are showing us what to do, and I think it's very helpful.
It's very awesome, very hands-on. You learn a lot.
It's actually pretty cool. I didn't think it would be so informative, you know, so definitely impressed. Looking forward, probably even coming taking my 3-day craftsman class next.
Oh, everything's been great. It's very informative and met some great people as well.